On today's video, we're going to show you how to change out the batteries on the DORMAKABA locks. These are the RFID locks. The battery pack is in the front of the door. It takes a T15 screwdriver. So all you gotta do is remove one screw in the bottom, and then take some kind of little screwdriver or something to help you pop out the battery pack. You remove it, pull it straight down, and replace 3 AA batteries. That is 4.5 DC. Replace it same way you took it off. Go ahead and tighten up back your T15 torque screw. Okay.
So
now we have to update the lock.
Okay, so all you do is turn this on.
Mike is going to show us how to reprogram the time on the lock.
Comes in. You put your login name, which would be 1111. I don't know, depending on what device you're using.
Okay.
And then bring it down here. 1111. Enter. You go to locks.
Okay.
Press lock. Go down to clock update. Arrow it down. Clock update. Take your little apparatus here. Put this on. Get it on here like this. Press enter. Okay. And into lock and press OK. And now it's going to start talking to it. See? Clock updated successful for 527.
Okay.
And that's it. Okay, done.
There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.